Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact username and any likely variants. Type them into search and the profile URL. Use a different Instagram account or an incognito browser so your view isn't biased. If you see user not found versus a profile with no posts, that signals deletion versus possible blocking. Once done, capture the exact error text and screenshot it. This evidence guides the next steps and prevents wasted attempts at re-adding or reporting the wrong issue. Next, distinguish blocked from deleted. Log out and load Instagram. com/username. A missing page suggests deletion, but blocking often shows an empty profile to mutuals. Have a trusted friend check their follower list and search for the username. If they can see it and you cannot, you're likely blocked. Also try sending a DM or follow request from another account. A fail or missing interaction confirms blocking. Make sure to compare behaviors, since Instagram can show similar results for different states. Finally, decide action. If the account is deleted, recovery requires the original owner using Instagram's account recovery within their window, so contact them off-app and provide guidance. If blocked, avoid evasion tactics. Instead, ask a mutual friend to mediate or send a respectful message from an alternate account. If you suspect hacking or impersonation, use Instagram's report feature with your screenshots and exact messages. Troubleshooting tip. If results are inconsistent, wait 24 hours and repeat checks to rule out temporary outages or caching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.